Hello viewers, welcome back to the Affiliate Marketing Complete course. In our previous class, we discussed POD business. What POD business is, how it works, and how you can start it step by step. In today's class, we talk about dropshipping. That means what is dropshipping, how does it actually work, how can you start it, and how our course will help you along the way. Originally, this lesson and the next one, drop servicing, were planned to be in a single class. But since the topic is quite detailed, I have decided to split it into two parts so that you can understand everything more clearly and easily. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you can sell suppliers' product under your own brand name. Let's understand this through a simple diagram. In a traditional physical business, what usually happens? First, you need to rent a store or a warehouse. Then you purchase products from a supplier and place them on your website. After that, you have to market your products properly and reach your targeted customers. Now, this type of physical business requires a lot of investment because you need to hire a store and buy the products upfront with your own money. But here's the good news, you can run the same business through dropshipping where you don't have to invest that much. So, how does it work? It's an online business model. Take a look at this flowchart. To start dropshipping, the very first thing you will need is a website. Once your website is ready, you will have to source products from suppliers and place them on your site. While sourcing the products, you will need to set some conditions for your suppliers. For example, you will make a deal that you will only use their product photos and information on your website. When you promote the products and a customer places an order, then and only then you will pay the supplier. After receiving your payment, the supplier will ship the product directly to your customer's address. Now, notice one important thing here, you don't have to buy a huge quantity of products in advance. You will only pay the supplier after customer confirms the order. That means you are working as a middleman and there is almost no risk involved. Also, in the beginning, you don't need a huge investment. All you need is a website to start your dropshipping business. Now, the question is where you can find these types of suppliers and how much profit can you actually make? Internationally, there are several marketplaces that offer dropshipping services. Among them, one of the most popular platforms is AliExpress. From AliExpress, you can buy even a single product at wholesale rates, and the prices here are extremely low compared to other marketplaces. So, now let's see one example how the price of a product on AliExpress compares to its price on Amazon and how much profit you could make in between. Let's start by visiting aliexpress.com. This is AliExpress homepage. When you click on all categories, you will see a list of different subcategories. And under each of those subcategories, you will find hundreds of products. Now, let's go to the search bar and type iPhone 15 Pro Max case. As you can see, there are lots and lots of products showing up. So, let's pick one product and discuss it. Here, you can see this product has multiple color options available. The price is $5.11. It has 14 5-star reviews and a total of 104 sales so far. You will also notice there are two options available. One is without logo and the other is with logo. That means you can either purchase it with your own brand logo or simply take it without any logo. If you choose the version without logo, the price will be $5.11. But if you want to use your own logo, then the price will be $7.99. Just below that, You can also see several other iPhone versions available. You can get those cases as well at almost the same price. On the right hand side, there is some more information. Here you can see that you can return the product within 90 days without any extra cost. Now let's move on to Amazon. In the search bar, type iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Scroll down a little, and as you can see, there are lots and lots of products showing up here. Let's click on this particular product. If you look closely, this product and the one we saw on AliExpress are almost the same. But here's the interesting part. This one on Amazon cost $25.95, whereas the same product on AliExpress was only $5.11. This Amazon listing has 4,551 ratings. And in the last month alone, it has sold over 500 units. If we scroll further down, we can see more product details and specifications. So, from this comparison, one thing is clear. We now understand the price difference between wholesale pricing on AliExpress and the retail price on Amazon. That also means you can already estimate how much profit margin there could be. I hope that's clear now. Now, move on. How can you actually start this business? First, you need to have your own website. Then you will source product from AliExpress and place those product details on your website. Next, you will start doing promotion. When a customer confirms an order, you will ask the supplier to deliver the product directly to the customer's address. In that case, the supplier will use your brand details, so it will look like you are the original seller of that product. Now, how can you brand the products in your own name? You can contact the product owners or suppliers on AliExpress and make a simple deal with them. You will use your own brand logo on their products. It's actually very easy to set up. Also, during delivery, your brand information can be included on the package as well. I hope the entire concept is clear to you now. Now, how will our course help you? Our course mainly focuses on complete affiliate marketing, where I will share my personal strategies step by step. Even though this particular lesson is not directly about affiliate products, you will still learn some powerful concepts that can help in dropshipping too. For example, you will learn website design, which is essential for any dropshipping business. You will also learn a secret marketing funnel which can multiply your dropshipping sales dramatically. And remember one thing, no matter how much you invest, if your marketing policy is weak, the chances of failure are high. In this course, you will master those proven marketing policies. You also learn advanced tracking methods which will help you get repeat customers, and this is a key to long-term success. I hope everything is now crystal clear. In the next class, we will talk about drop servicing, which is directly connected to our affiliate marketing journey. Because in the future, we will using our affiliate marketing platforms to build drop servicing businesses, and that's a highly profitable model. If you want to learn my complete affiliate marketing strategy from start to finish, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have already subscribed, then get ready for the next class. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.